Oh, I'm over the moon.
No, okay.
Over the moon.
All right.
I'm over the moon. Bye-bye.
It actually turned out pretty good. Will is over the moon. Will is over the moon.
Are you literally on cloud 9 right now? Are you literally on cloud 9 right now?
Like I'm on cloud 9 right now. Like I'm on cloud 9 right now.
Oh, I'm on cloud 9. We've done it. We found our leading lady.
Yes, and you're my escort. I'm so thrilled.
Because I'm thrilled to announce. Because I'm thrilled to announce.
Are you happy now?
I'm ecstatic. I'm ecstatic.
I'm glad to hear you happy. Ecstatic. I really am.
I'm overjoyed, actually. I'm overjoyed, actually.
I'm truly overjoyed.
Yes!
I'm truly overjoyed.
Yes!
According to our customs, you are now married to my daughter. I couldn't be happier. I couldn't be happier.
Well, if you're happy, then I'm happy, because after all...
He has been presented with a wonderful opportunity, and I couldn't be happier for him. And I couldn't be happier for him.
Thank you, Sheldon. That must have been very hard for you to say.